everyone, good morning students. Today we are going to learn standard 4th subject EVS topic. I will be responsible and sensitive. Look at this picture. It was Deepika's birthday. She had invited all her friends to her house. When her friends came, she put on music at a loud volume and all of them began to dance and have fun. Her neighbor was an elderly person. He suffered from high blood pressure. He could not tolerate very loud music. He asked Deepika to turn down the volume. Deepika realized that he was suffering because of the loud music. She turned down the volume at once. Student, we all either live with or are related to old people. They love us. However, they cannot run about and play like us. They often need small tasks done for them like fetching medicine or other products from the market, removing things from the lofts or threading needles. If we carry out these tasks for them, it is of great help to them. If the TV or music is played loudly, it can be very disturbing for them. At such times, we must lower the volume. Grandparents are often at home all day. Their only pastime is talking to their children and grandchildren. They are curious about what their grandchildren do at school all day. They have great affection for us. They feel happy when we speak to them lovingly. If someone at home or in the neighborhood is suffering from an illness, then we should take the following precautions. The patient should be given medicines at the proper times. The patient should not be given unwanted advice. The patient must be given meals at the right time. One cannot watch TV at a loud volume in a patient's room. We all wish for a patient to get well soon. For this, we should follow the doctor's advice and take care accordingly. After giving first aid for injuries, the patient must be taken straight to a hospital or a primary health center. Do not depend on talismans, amulet and incantation. Consult a doctor on time. Responsibility towards people with special needs. Some people have physical handicaps because of illnesses or accidents, or they may be born with them. They suffer many inconveniences and much discomfort at public places. That is why they are in need of special services and assistance. Eradication of polio. We have been successful in eradicating polio in our country. The World Health Organization has praised India for this achievement. Polio was carried out by the government of India. The phrase "Do Bund Zindagi Ke," this phrase is related to polio eradication awareness program carried out by the government of India. So students do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.